Hi, Mum. Don't you look pretty today? Yes. Nice makeup. Okay, so we're at breakfast. Mum, show me what you've got.
Okay. What's the number? What's the number?
Oh, and by the way, the ceilings are really short here, so I literally have to bend my head to get some breakfast. How funny is this? This is so funny. Alright, ready? Here we go. Boom. This is me getting my breakfast. Breakfast time. Wow, this is crazy cool. I feel like the walls are falling on me. This is Indiana Jones stuff right now. This is Inception. This is really cool. I better watch this bad boy right here. There he is. Do not want to hit that. No. That's seriously low. Alright guys, getting on the bus for the very first time. This is our official tour bus that'll be taking us all around Vietnam while we're staying here. Thankfully it's a lot bigger than the bus that we were on the other day, yesterday, so we're going to get a spot right now and let's start this journey officially.
This one a cat?
Mum, what are we doing right now?
Going on a rickshaw tour.
Oh,
Single rickshaw tour.
Totally about to go on a single rickshaw tour right now.
Not like the one we're thinking about, eh?
It's like one person per rickshaw tour. Here we go guys, come on, this will be fun.
It's illegal. They had to stay in the jail for a very long time.
Our tour guide Danny is saying if you want to smoke some marijuana in the city, extremely illegal, and if you do it and you're caught, you will spend a very long time in jail. So. Go, I'll pull you. Alright. Alright. Good luck. Good luck, Mum. Yes, I'm going in myself now. Boom. Wow, this is cool. Very cool. Yep. Yep. Go. Alright, cool. Boom. This is going to be a crazy experience, so wish us luck. There's a whole bunch of tour people on like 15 to 20 different rickshaws, but it's only a one person per rickshaw ride, so don't know if you can see, you're going to have your eyes closed, or I don't know if you can see, but all the rickshaws are down there as well, right there. Wish us luck! And we are off. See you, Mum. Good luck. Alright, here we go. Off we go. We're on the main road now. Wow. Here's my guy. Hello. Hello. There he is. He's the guy who's driving my bike right now. There's Mum behind me. Where is she? I'm going to lose my phone in a second. There she is. Wave, Mum. There she is, right there. Yeah, so it's actually started to rain a little bit. Wow. So like I was saying before, so this building to my left is Vietnam's biggest opera house. So when you think of an opera house, you think of the Sydney Opera House. Well, this is their version. This is the biggest opera house in Vietnam. Hello. There we go. Opera. We're in the intersection right now. There's the opera house to my left, behind me. This is cool, and it's actually starting to rain pretty heavy right now. So I'm glad I've got this. I'm glad I got this over me right now. There we go. I think I can. Wow, that's a pretty impressive building to my right.
It's on video.
a bit of a wet one today, that's for sure. It's pretty cool. How are we so far? That's good. I've been to a lot of places all around the world. Usually McDonald's is the only place you see pretty much globally, but lately I've been seeing a lot of KFCs all around the world. And wow, there's Burger King and Dunkin' Donuts, the Coffee Club, wow. Could please be careful and not drop them while I'm driving past. That would be great. Over here, the Made in Vietnam sign is worn like a badge of honor. Made in Vietnam, quality. There seems to be a theme wherever I go travel somewhere else around the world. There seems to be a lot of people going on the wrong side of the road. Look, there's one in front of me right now. You're going the wrong way, buddy. Where are you going? My goodness, you would not want to be an electrician over here, would you? An electrician, the worst job ever. No, but seriously, let's go back to the electrician conversation again. How the hell do countries like this understand where the electricity is coming from? How do they monitor and pay the electricity bills? I don't understand this. Wow, just have a look at this. Wow, that's pretty impressive actually. I mean, you'd think that there'd be a lot of power outages, maybe there is, I'm not too sure, but you'd think there'd be a lot of power failures and sparking and people just overall getting shocks. Maybe there are, I don't know, but it's crazy to see this and it's amazing. Made our way to a highway, freeway part of the city right now. Very packed area, wow. You get a true sense of what the city is really about when you come to these majorly packed areas, because you get to see the lifeblood of the city, you know, the blood vessels, the big blood vessels of the city, which is the main roads, the main parts of the street where everyone's going, flowing from one street to the next. It's like the blood vessels inside of your body, you know, it's the artery of the city. You get to really see the heart of the city when you come to places like this, and yeah. She's coming after me, she's chasing me. Oh, help me, she's coming. This is the life. I'll just put my arm there and stretch back and relax. Yep, I can get used to this. This is the life. I see it. I see the bank. I do, I see it. Cafe Bong in a country like this. Oh, I think we're thinking about two different things right now. I'm thinking about something else and they're thinking about something else completely different. Never mind. I won't be doing what I'm thinking here, no. Just arrived back. That was cool. Quite literally, it's actually a pretty cool day today. I didn't think it was going to be doing that on our trip at all, so the first day, for it to be nice and cool, was really cool. And a real nice change. Boom! There we go.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Show me yours.
Only $1.
Oh, there I am.
Okay, alright. Have you got money?
Yep. We'll grab this. Alright, Mum, what are your thoughts?
Yeah, I enjoyed it actually. Enjoyed it more so than the Indian one.
Nice and cool today though, isn't it?
Yes, nice and
Beautiful. Much better than when we were in India. Oh my god, it's so hot, so humid. But we're going to go back on the bus now to the next location. Here we go.